Judgment. Stand I'd like to get one of those. I mean, fine.
I want to go downrange.
So what? Hey, Mike.
Hey, there, Tiger.
I see Chris.